Hello, and you're welcome to Androgynous Ideas. Today, we are going to be talking about how you can design a free logo or favicon for your website or your brand, basically. So, this logo can be used anywhere if you want to design graphics or a website. So, without wasting our time, let's get into it. There are so many platforms online where you can do this, but the one I use that is working for me fine is logomakr.com. If you go to logomakr.com, you will see whatever they have on their own page. You can see some sample logos that can be they've designed on this platform. So you can see all the vectors available that you can choose from. The next thing to do is to start your design. Then start your design. The reason why it's bringing this thing up for me is because I've made a design initially on this platform. So let me take my so I've made a design initially on this platform. So I don't want to resume the previously saved work. I want to create a new design. The reason why I'm getting that is because I've made a design previously. But if you are designing for the first time, you won't get all that. You won't get all that. So the first thing you might want to do might to bring in a text, a shape, a paint bucket. No, you might just leave this for now. So if you want to undo something, so the first thing you might want to do basically might be to get a vector that represents your brand. You can see a whole lot of vectors over here that you have to choose from. Range of vectors. There are quite a good number of them here that you can choose from. So you might just look for one that suits your brand. You can see this will be most likely be for real estate. So a photography brand, if you are a gamer and you are making a website for yourself, um you can see this is a baseball, this is a car over here, a basketball, whatever suits your brand. So I think I would go with this. I think I would go with this. Let me just choose this. Let me choose this. So this is the vector I want to work with. Now after choosing my vector, things you can do with this might be to reduce the opacity. As you can see, the opacity. So you can also change the color if you want to. You might decide to change the color. So another thing I might want to do is to bring in um, text actually. So if I click on you can see this button over here. If I click on it to bring this up for me. So I might just say halogenius no not that ideas. So on this text I can make so many edits as well. So I think this is options, send to back, send forward and all that. So if I want to delete it, but I don't want to delete it, so let me just redo. So, no, undo rather. So most likely I want to make it if I want to edit the styles, this is where I come to. So I want to make it left aligned and I want to make it bigger actually. So if I come back and I do this, it will be bigger than it is initially. So you can see it's giving me this snap over here. If I want to increase the font or make it bold, actually to make it bold, so come here, make it bold, and you can see the line width. This is the line width over here. If I want to make adjustments to the line width, so this is not bad actually. This is not bad. This is not bad. So this is the line height over here. If I want to change line height, so but I think I'll just leave it to. I think this is fine. So for the letter spacing, this is the letter spacing. So whatever suits your need actually, whatever suits your need. Your possibilities are endless. And this is the word spacing over here. So there are no words in front of each other, so you won't actually see the word spacing. So let me make this. I don't need the extra pixels and okay. So everything is to the middle now. So if I want to change these colors and make them look more palatable, I might decide to. I like this color actually. I like this color. So I might decide to go with something like this. So you can see that color over here. This is the color code of the color FF4000. So I might just click on this instead of looking for that color, instead of looking for that same color. I might not get it exactly. So what I'll do is I'll come here, copy this color code, Click on this one and paste it. So you can see I have hallogenous ideas, I have hallogenous ideas. And actually, this font can look more palatable to the eyes. I might decide to use any of these things, but let me use pixel and monospace. So I think the line width is disfiguring it. Let me go and remove the line width. Let me remove the line width. I don't want. Yeah, I don't know. Just comes in a bit. So this is the line width, and I might decide to. No, I think this is fine. I might decide to um what else can we do to this? Okay, let me add a black something like background to this, a black circle behind it. Now, the first thing you see, I want to add a circle. So I'll just come to shapes, click on circle. So if I click on circle, I'll bring my circle over to this. It is already giving me the plus sign where this circle meets with the I don't know the shape to call it at the back, the shape at the back. So I can just drag this, bring it back to the middle, make sure everything is in the middle together with each other. So the next thing I'll do is, if you have used Photoshop or any image editing tool that uses something like this pane over here, so you know that basically this application is looking from top to bottom. So this circle is on top of clip art. So hallogenous ideas is this text over here. So for this circle to be positioned behind the clip art, I will just bring this circle behind it like this. So it is now behind. Another way to do this, let me undo. Another way to do this is to click on it, then select this option over here, then send to back. Send to back. If I send it to back, it will bring it here. So click on this. I want to change the color to black actually. So, and I want to reduce the size. So if I to the middle. So, but one thing you should know is that these shapes over here is not just limited to being used as a background layer or a background layer. So you might just want to display the logo independent of any other elements on the page. What you will do is that you might want to display the shape rather. So what you will do is that you come here, you click on the shape, so bring it somewhere here. And I'm just bringing my star. Where can I, let me keep this star here. So just bring it here. Bring it down. I'm using the down key. So let me use the same color I've been using. Okay, that is it. So come here. Now I want to duplicate this to two other stars over here. You right click on it, you will see this duplicate somewhere. This is duplicate. So and I think I want to duplicate again. Duplicate. So I have this. I think I can get one more star over there. So right click and duplicate it. So I won't want it to be longer than hallogenous. Okay, I think this is it. So you can see what I have over here, hallogenous ideas. And this is not the best logo actually. I'm just showing you that your possibilities are endless over here. So what you might want to do at this point might be to download the video proper. Sorry, to download the logo. So what you will do is that this save logo over here, click on it. You see download low resolution PNG file. Now this PNG file is telling you that it won't have the way, let me close this. The way I have all these pixels over here, it won't have any pixels just behind it. Like if you place this on any image or any part of your website, it is going to be inheriting the background of whatever you place it on. It's going to be inheriting the background. So if I want to download as a PNG file, a logo that doesn't have a background. So just come here. Download low resolution file. I cannot, I accept and acknowledge the legal terms with downloading the free file. So download the free low resolution file, and this is it over here. This is the file over here. So close this, and if you open this up, you see that it's a file with this logo, but it doesn't have any background. So it's useful for you because you can just place it anywhere on your site and you're good to go. So let's open it up and see what you can see what I have over here. Halogenous ideas. You can see I have my vector icon, I have the shape behind it, I have halogenous, and I have ideas, and I have the four stars. All of them being displayed without any background. So that is exactly what I want. So I don't know what your use case might be for needing to design a logo, but this is it for you. If you're just looking for something to do and go your way. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video and put your comments down below if you have any video requests and all that, and we put it to the channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to help this video and our content to reach out to other people as well. So one of those reasons why you should subscribe is when we and hit the notification bell is when we make post content like this one. You get a notification on your device that a new video is available. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for